Hey, what up, YouTube? Welcome back. I really hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, especially with everything that's going on right now. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to really take care of your body, both mentally and physically. For episode 2 of Muscle Maintenance Mondays, I changed the name, same content though. We'll be going over how to use a massage trigger point ball for the upper back. If you don't have one, a lot of people like to use lacrosse balls, or you can use a tennis ball as well too. All right, let's get started. So we'll mainly focus on how to create relief from pain and discomfort in this specific area right here in between the shoulder blade or scapula and the spine, this whole trap and rhomboid area right here. Alright, so you're going to stand about 6 inches away from the wall. You're going to place the ball against the wall and lean into it with your upper back. You want to make sure you keep it between your scapula and spine. And then you're going to cross your arms over your chest so you can protract the scapula outwards and expose the rhomboids. Then using your legs, you're going to slowly roll up and down and just let the ball iron out the tension that's built up in that whole muscle area right there. You can roll up and down. You can go side to side, just as long as you cover the entire area for tension relief. And when you feel any muscle knots, you're going to hold that trigger point and just lean into it with as much pressure as you can take while breathing calmly through it. Now another technique is that you can take the arm of the shoulder that you're massaging and just place your hand to your lower back, kind of like in a chicken wing position. And then you're going to roll that ball along that medial border of the scapula and really get in those intense spots underneath that shoulder blade. I can't stress it enough, always breathe calmly or take slow deep breaths. It might even help to close your eyes to focus on your breathing a little more if it gets way too intense. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're able to use this self-massage technique at some point, especially when you feel pain or discomfort in the upper back. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Take care, y'all.